What's this one?
Circle.
Circle. This one. Square. What's this one?
Oval.
Oval. What's this number, anak?
给你的衣服嘞，
Six.
没有
Six.
拿外套啊。
What else is here?
No, mommy, have to go.
Oh, okay, we have to go. Okay.
Never mind the train.
We'll get your bag first.
Where's the jacket? Where's your jacket?
Where's your jacket? Yeah, that's right. Go get your jacket.
This one pepper.
That's right. That's yours. Good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Today is Wednesday and kakatapos ko lang mag-work as always. Tsaka na tayo nakapag-start ng ating vlog pag natapos na yung work natin. And now I'm on my way to pick up Paris from the childcare. Ako lang mag-isa yung pipick up kay baby girl kasi nga 'di ba hindi pwedeng dalawa yung aalis ng bahay ng sabay. Kaya Daddy Mike is going to stay at home. 5:50 na pala siya ng hapon, guys. And alam nyo, kanina pa sana ako aalis mga 5 o'clock pagkatapos talaga ng work ko. Pero yung kulig ko, tinawagan ako, guys, kaya matagal akong nakaalis ng bahay. Pero ngayon, aalis na talaga ako. Wala nang makakapiga sa akin. But I just wanna show you the flower, guys. Tignan nyo! Oh, diba? Open na sila. Again, meron pa dito 4 na hindi pa nag-open. 1, 2, 3, 5. 5 pala. Hindi pa nag-open. Ayan. But sobrang ganda. See you, Daddy! Ayan. Kasi nga hindi sasama si Daddy Mike. Dito lang siya sa bahay. Kaya marakpan tayo ng pulis. And tingnan nyo ang aking suot, guys. Oh, may jacket ako sa ilalim. Ayan. Tapos may jacket pa ako sa ibabaw. Kasi alam nyo, sobrang ginaw talaga. Like, seriously, it is only 11 degrees today. Like, maximum 11 degrees. At the moment, maybe it's only 8 degrees. Guys, check muna natin yung mailbox. Wala man. And yung mga ano, nandito pa pala, oh, hindi pa na-pick up ng truck. Hala, mabasa na po na sila pag naulanan ba. Pero yun na nga, guys, natagalan akong lumabas ng bahay kasi yung katrabaho ko nga, tinawagan ako kasi nag-chika lang siya ba. Sinabihan lang niya ako na nagbuwag daw sila ng kanyang girlfriend. Kawawa na. Pero yun nga, sabi niya na, I just thought I'd let you know first. Kasi, na-meet ko na kasi yung girlfriend niya before ba. And pag nagtatawagan kami sa work, always ko kinukumusta. Sinasabi ko, how's Nora? Ganyan-ganyan. Tapos kasi, nagbuwag na pala sila, guys. Hindi daw nag-work yung relationship nila. I feel bad for her. Anyways, I gotta go now, guys. Because Paris is now waiting. For sure, nasa front door na yun siya nag-aabang ngayon ba. Ang mama niya, ang tagal-tagal. Sige, chika. Hi, friends! Say hi, friends, now.
Hi, friends.
How are you?
Red.
Red,
Blue. Red. Blue.
blue.
Red.
We'll go get her
Red.
bag. Open.
Here go. Whoa. Open the go.
Yay! Is your bag here? Go get your bag. Your water bottle. Yay! Good job. Do you still have water? Alana, come here, Nak. Oh, what's this, Nak? Can you show Mama? What's this one?
Cow.
What's this one?
What's that?
What is ba? What's this one?
Cow.
Circle. This one. Square. What's this one?
Oval.
Oval.
What's that?
What's this?
Pelican. Mommy, how's it go?
Let's go. What's this number, Nak?
给你的衣服嘞，
Six.
没有
Six.
拿外套啊。
What else is here?
No, mommy, how's it go?
Oh, okay, we have to go. Okay.
Never mind the train.
Yeah, we'll get your bag first.
Never mind the train.
We'll go get your bag first.
Never mind the train.
你有没有带外
Never
套？
mind the train.
Train. Get the bag now.
没有带外套，是吗？这孩子没有，不在这嘛，
Good girl. Here we
错
go.
坏蛋。
Where's the jacket?
衣服穿完
Where's
再
your
走。
jacket?
Where's your jacket? Yeah, that's right. Go get your jacket.
This one pepper.
That's right. That's yours. pull? Okay, Mama will help. There you go. Can you put the other one back? Come. Put the jacket on because it's too cold outside now. It's like ice outside.
Look, it's a skate coming.
Who?
Look, it's a skate coming.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Put it back.
Yeah, you know, it's very cold outside.
And then take ice.
Yeah, it's like ice.
Look, it's ice.
It's raining ice.
Find the ice.
Mm.
Show me ice.
Yes.
Show me.
Yeah, ice. You have a nice day?
Yes.
School? Good girl. What did you do?
A buffet. Catch a fish.
Did you catch a fish?
And the green one.
Wow, the green one. What kind of fish did you get?
A green one.
A green one?
Yeah.
Kiss us, Mama. I love you.
Oh.
Come on, let's go now. Say bye-bye, friends. We'll see you at home. Huh? That milk? We need a small one there. Get a small one now. Sayang. This one? This one, oh? Small one. Wait a minute. Which one? Oh, get Coke. Get Coke.
There's Lowell featuring Troy Sivan. I'm so tired on Pulse Radio.
Get Coke.
You're just a stone fruit away from the perfect winter platter. California stone fruit. Inspiration awaits at stonefruitrecipes.com.au.
Well, this is not a Coke now. The Coke is here. Oh. That one, yeah. Uy, anak kayo, ilabay.
Oh my God! Ouch! Hi, Mommy.
You go there. Have a look at the plant. Is that your plant? Hi guys! Malapit na mag 7 o'clock. Ang kakauwi lang namin ni Paris. And we were running in guys kasi sobrang maulan sa labas. And si Paris pala nandun sa sala kasi kasama niya yung daddy niya. Nanonood sila ng show ni Paris. And then nakita niyo naman, nag-stop kami ni Paris sa Coast para bumili ng mga, ewan ko, mga makakain namin ba. Ayan. So, 2 bags dito. And alam nyo, buang talaga to sa atin nyo ba. Pumunta ako ng Coast. Wala na naman akong dala na plastic na ganito. Alam nyo, ito, each plastic bag is 15 cents. And sayang yung 15 cents, no? Kasi ito, marami na talaga kaming ganito kasi nakakalimutan namin na magdala pag pumupunta kami ng shops. That's something na kailangan naming i-remember every time na pumupunta kami ng shops kasi sobrang dami na talaga naming mga plastics na ganito dyan sa pantry. Parang lahat ng laman ng pantry ay mga plastics na hindi mga pagkain. Anyways, I'm just gonna show you quickly yung mga napamili ko, guys. Actually, bumili ako nito kasi ininom ko to while I was driving. I really love this one. It's iced chocolate and very rich talaga. Very chocolatey. And then, bumili ako ng butter. Yan, kasi naubusan na kami ng butter. And yung malaki yung binili ko para hindi na kami pabalik-balik ba. Mabilis kasi naubos yung isa kasi pag nagluluto ako ng pancake, yun yung ginagawa kong ano ba, pang oil ba, yung butter para masarap. Kaya yun, kailangan na namin bumili. And then, nagbili ako ng chips, Doritos, yan. And we've got milk bottles. Ayan, oh. And then, bili tayo ng mga yogurt ni Paris. And nagbili ako ng milk. Ayan, so 1 liter lang na milk. And then, nakasale yung coconut water nila. And ito talaga yung coconut water sa Coast na very similar yung lasa niya sa Pilipinas na ano, coconut water talaga. Kaya yung binili ko. And half price pa siya, guys. I think it was only $2.50 kasi normally $5 to siya. Sobrang mahal. 1 liter lang. $5. Hala, daghan man butong sa amo. Yung bahay namin sa Pilipinas, guys, napapalibutan ng ano, ng mga kalubian ba. So, marami kaming mga butong. And then, bumili ako ng drinks. Ayan, ito lang dalawa. Tapos, yun lang guys. Yun lang talaga yung pinuntahan ko sa, Coles, yung milk, tsaka yung butter. Pero, since nandun na ako, bumili na lang ako ng ibang mga, pagkain. And then, now, magluluto tayo ng dinner. Ito yung lulutuin natin guys. Oh, nilabas ko na siya sa fridge. Ayan, so ilalagay lang natin siya sa oven. Tapos, magluto ako ng kanin. And then, that's it. Yan na yung hapunan natin, guys. Ayan. And also, pala, pagdating ko kanina sa childcare, wala na yung manager nila. Kasi, diba, sabi ko sa inyo na, kakasapin niya ako ulit. Kasi we're not sure kung we can still take Paris to childcare tomorrow. Pero, pagdating ko doon, wala na yung manager nila kasi natapos na yung manager nila 3:30 ng hapon. Sabi nung teacher ni Paris na it's better to go the childcare tomorrow morning. Bago daw namin dalhin si Paris doon kasi mukhang may natanggap daw silang balita kanina. She's not even sure about it. Like, kailangan ko talagang makausap yung manager. Pero mukhang kailangan na daw ng permit or something. May paperwork na kailangan mong i-fill in. Tapos, ewan ko kung sinong mag-permit. Uy, I'm not sure. But, tatawagan ko sila bukas ng umaga para to make sure na okay pa si Paris na dalhin sa childcare. Anyways, guys, I'm just gonna put everything away in the pantry. Tapos, magluluto na tayo ng hapunan. I will see you again very soon. Magluto na tayo ng kanin, guys. And alam nyo, pagkuha ko ba sa pantry, red light talaga agad. I need help. Hindi pwedeng walang bigas dito sa bahay. Alaka. Hindi ko man napansin. Uy. Babalik na naman tayo ng shop nito bukas kasi kailangan natin ng bigas. Because rice is life. Ala, isang baso na lang gid siya ba? Tingnan nyo, oh. Hindi lang, paiguon na lang na. Lugawan na lang kaunta ni ba? Or maabot pa sa weekend. Wala, that's it. Wala na tayong bigas. Wala pa nag-ani inyong lola. Napasok ko na sa oven yung chicken natin, guys. So, we're just gonna leave it here for 15 minutes. And then, we'll check it again later on. Very saba ang ating mag-ama, guys. Oh. Naglalaro sila ba? Ang tawa nila hanggang kabilang kanto. Yeah, anyways guys, balik tayo dun sa colleague ko nga, sa friendship ko nga na naghiwalay sila. Naawa talaga ako sa kanya, but then yun din yung sabi ko sa kanya na one thing na na-learn ko talaga sa buhay ko, guys, is yung everything happens for a reason. Kung hindi man sila nag-work ngayon, maybe there's someone na para talaga sa kanila. Kasi tinanong ko siya kung bago lang ba sila nag-break or matagal-tagal na. And sabi niya, it's been a while na they have been trying to fix the relationship. They've been trying to save their relationship daw for a year na. Yun bang ginawa na nila ang lahat para mag-work ang kanilang relasyon. Pero unfortunately, hindi daw talaga. So, yun. Kaya siguro mutual agreement na lang nila na maghiwalay na lang sila. Yung nakatouch talaga sa akin, guys, is nung sinabi niya sa akin na the main reason talaga na nag-break sila is that yung bang they started growing apart daw instead of growing together, which is very common. Yan kasi yung nangyayari sa mga relationship ngayon na parang may isa-isa na kayong mga buhay ba, parang hindi na kayo enjoy na kayong dalawa, na parang iba yung direction niya tapos iba yung direction mo. Tapos sinabi ko sa kanya na nakita mo sana yung bibig ko nung sinabi mo sa akin kasi nung tinawagan niya ako after work talaga, tapos nung pagkasabi niya talaga sa akin na yun yung nangyari. My God, yung aking bibig ba, sobrang nabukaka talaga. Parang, what? Ganon talaga ako. Kasi parang surprising talaga sa akin ba. Hindi ko talaga inakala na mangyayari yun. Kasi they've been together for a long time na. For how many years. Tapos dito lang pala hahantong ang lahat. Kaya na-surprise talaga ako nung sinabi niya sa akin yun. Sabi niya sa akin na it's vice versa. Kung ako din daw yung nagsabi sa kanya na hiwalay na kami ni Mike, ganon din daw yung magiging reaction niya. Tapos sinabi ko kay Daddy Mike, sabi ni ng kaibigan ko nga na ganon daw yung magiging reaction niya pag sinabi ko na nagkahiwalay tayo. Tapos sabi ni Daddy Mike na, well, hindi niya magagamit na reaction yun kasi it will never happen. Kasi Daddy Mike.
of these figures being counterfeited nowadays.
Huh?
These are the which, as far as any of
Careful, ha?
which you never see here in the States. So make it work more.
Uy, ayun, daddy. Careful ba?
Wow!
Did you draw it? Wow. Well done.
Wow!
Did you draw it yourself?
She drew it herself.
Well done, my love. Very proud of you.
A nose?
Where's the nose? Show mommy the nose. Ah. Where's the eyes?
There.
Oh, okay. Labulingitan, mo na ko, eh.
That's the toe?
Hmm?
The
Yun na,
toe?
na. Mag-eat na tag-dinner na. Sige na. The baby is here.
Because I see it.
Where are you going?
They're going beach.
You're going to the beach?
He's going to car.
You're going to the beach? With who?
Just you?
With
Daddy go.
Wow, a nice bike. Do you like your bike, Nak?
They go shopping.
You go shopping with your bike?
They could come back.
Come back.
They come
Yeah, you can
in.
go shopping, see? Because you have a basket. You can use it for shopping. Yeah?
They go shopping.
Daddy go shopping. I thought you were gonna go to the beach.
They look at the car.
Yeah? You wanna go to the beach? It's too
Yeah.
cold for beach, honey.
It's the car beach. It's in the back of the shark.
Yeah, the shark. We'll go to the beach in summer.
Shark could come.
Yeah. Who do you wanna go?
That's here.
You go with mommy?
I'm going on with the baby.
With daddy?
Paris.
Paris?
I got one more friend, Peter.
Who? Do you wanna take Jake with you?
They take to the beach.
Ha? Very comfortable lang ang kanyang amahan, guys, oh.
No,
Nakakuan na. Natulog na yata ni siya.
more. Bye-bye, Mommy.
Bye-bye, Paris! Enjoy the beach! Enjoy the beach! Oh, natutuwa talaga siya sa bike. Guys, kakashower lang namin ni Paris. Wow! Oh, shush! Shush!
Hindi, Mommy.
Oh, go to bed na. Go to bed. Quick! Ayan, oh, ang ating hair is sobrang basa pa. Ngayon ay si Paris matutulog na. Kay, basta na naman yung hair natin. Napunta tayo ng bed. Samot na kadaot atong bukan eh. Nearly 10 o'clock na pala, guys. Kaya ipapatulog na natin ang ating baby girl. Ayan, oh. Late kami sa aming ano ngayon, 'di ba? 9 o'clock dapat natulog na si Paris. Eh, nag-shower pa kami kasi kanina 'di ba nakita nyo, binulibod ko lang yung buhok ko ng ganun. Kapag binulibod ko na ang aking buhok, ibig sabihin na ang aking buhok ay malagkit na at hindi na niliguan. Kaya niliguan ko kanina. Sumama din si Paris sa akin sa shower. Ayan. Kaya na-late kami sa aming bedtime. Anyways, guys, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. At hindi talaga ako magsasawang magpasalamat sa inyo. Welcome sa ating mga bagong subscribers. At sana na-enjoy nyo yung mga videos natin. And kung meron man kayong mga suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. That's about it for today's vlog, guys. It's very short and sweet. But I hope na-enjoy nyo pa rin. I'm going to end it now. And as always, hindi natin pwedeng i-end ng walang shout out. So we're going to do a shout out now. Shout out to Mary Jane Subere, Kusha Basham, Susing Sales, Virginia Manaloto, Mary Ann De Guzman, Victoria's Secret VCM Live TV, Ruth Adlawan from Parañaque City, Metro Manila, Lina De Los Santos from Teresa Rizal, Iya Kuji Fun Time. Shout out to Be Smart Hair Care Services / Guy Enriquez. Shout out to Simple Life. Shout out to Lisan Bansil and Bansil family from Lubao, Pampanga. Shout out to Elsie Maglangit, Janice Dayaw. Shout out to Jed Da. Also shout out daw sa Bingil and Anislag family. Shout out sa inyong lahat dyan. Shout out to Irene Kilang, Shufa Jen Vlog. Shout out to Elnora Grinja. They're watching from Japan. Shout out sa inyong lahat dyan. Shout out to Erica Peralta. The D family from Balingasag, but she's now in Canada. I know you, Day. Shout out sa inyo diyan sa imong baby. Shout out to Robles Family Vlog. CJ Gonzalez from Balingasag. Hello, Silingan. Maraming salamat. Ay, maraming salamat. Tagalog mo noon. Daghan kayong salamat sa paglantaw sa atong video. Shout out to Rosemary La Rosa. Myla Bitasolo. Amethyst Drake. Daya Magallanes. Bunnyville Bulawin. Maria Victoria Pangan, Christina Luistro from Naga City. Shout out to Grace Bagundol, Angel Chris Barte, Mylene Franco, Daisy Flemmer. Shout out to Vivian Boton, Ruby De La Rosa. Shout out to Aid Martinez, Hermogenes Rapon, Marilu Laha, Elisa Samiliano, Annie Vergara, Maria Zoila Llanos, Rinar May Rica Huerta. Shout out to Leonora Sumbero, Feli Ilamparo, Rosario Manalo, Carla Mi Arias, Mirna Cushina, Maricel Torres, Miss Angela, Ethel Kilat, Crisel Lugsanay, Norberta Nono, and V. Alboro. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye!